Are you waiting for Google AdSense to pay you? Seriously? Is that what you are doing when you have so many other options that I'm about to reveal to you? You can start making real money online now without the AdSense program. Yes, I said it, and you will be left behind, frustrated if you don't listen to me, or if you're not taking advantage of this. Yes, if you're spinning your wheel, trying to figure out what to sell or how to start making money online, this is your moment. Because in today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how to skyrocket your income using digital products. Even if you don't have a big audience, even if you're not a designer, that's a graphic designer, and especially if you don't like to sell. Because guess what? There are platforms where other people will literally sell your product for you. I'm not making this up. And in a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm all about transparency and authenticity. I created this channel to help people like you earn money online. And that is why I am going to give you a sneak peek inside my new digital product. That's the bundle, of course. It's called 100 Profitable Product Ideas for Hungry Buyers. I'm going to walk you through what's inside, how to use it, and how you can go from I have no idea what to sell to, oh, dang, I just made my first sale. Wouldn't you like that? I'm sure you would. Oh, and don't skip ahead, because the real sauce is in what I show you from the beginning to the end of the Inside Peekaboo show and tell. It will even give you some ideas to get you started right away. But I urge you to get the entire bundle if you really want all the steps to start making money right out of the gate. Because in the bundle, you will not only get the product ideas, but you also get how to create the digital product and how to get others to sell it for you. Yes, I'm giving you everything, so you have no excuse. Are you ready to dive in? Well, stick with me and let's get into it. Yes, this is an inside peek on 75 of the digital products ideas that will actually sell. This is the ebook. And I just wanted to give you a quick inside peek. It's going to tell you what's inside. I introduce you to what's inside. You're going to get some high demand, high searchable keywords and keyword phrases of what people are looking for and low competition. That means you're not going to have a lot of competition. And I did all the deep digging for you. And I also tell you if you're not comfortable with writing the ebook, I give you instructions, tell you to just pick one. Don't try to pick more than one. Just pick one at a time because you'll get overwhelmed. Pick one idea and then you go to ChatGPT. Oops, I'm so sorry. I'm going too far. I don't want to make this section of the video too long. Yeah, I give you instructions on how to use the ebook. Pick one, then you're going to head over to ChatGPT. I give you the starter prompt of what to put into ChatGPT. You're going to tell ChatGPT that it is an expert of over 30 years and tell them the niche that you're specializing in and all that stuff. And then you go tweak it. And then if you have related products, and I would suggest go to Creative Fabrica to see if you can find related products to download and add and make it a bundle, because people think that there is more value in a bundle, and there is. And then I go straight into the first idea. The first idea, I'm just giving you examples. The first idea is digital decluttering checklist, and I for overwhelmed beginners. And I explained the search term is how to start digital decluttering. That's a search term that has a high volume. And I'm giving you the tea. Trust me, I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'm giving you, and this can get you even started right now. And I tell you who it's for: millennials, digital minimalist, remote workers, ADH users, digital burnout victims. I'm going to give you 5 of them. And I tell you where to sell it: Etsy, Pinterest, Gumroad Productivity, YouTube channels. And I give you a bonus strategy: bundle it with a Notion template or a simple printable planner to 3x the perceived value, as I just suggested. And you can offer a bonus like a digital detox weekend, and ChatGPT um, can help you with that. All right, number two is interview confidence boosting cards, printables. Why it works is that job seekers Google last minute prep materials. I'm sorry, job seekers Google last minute prep materials every day. Google last minute prep materials every day, but a few resources focus on fast visual confidence builders. Printable affirmation and question flashcards are tangible and easy to use the night before an interview. This is for job seekers, the night before the interview. Because when you're going for a job, you get nervous. Yes, and they can study during their lunch breaks. And who it's for: recent grads, return to work parents, professionals, pivoting careers, and first time job seekers. Where to sell it: LinkedIn coaches, Etsy printable shops, resume writers, TikTok content creators, career content creators. And the bonus strategy is create a mini interview confidence kit. I create a kit, include 5 email scripts, follow-up templates, and bonus digital stickers or printable affirmations. Number three, and I'm going fast, I'm giving you 5, picky eater meal prep matrix. Why it works: parents and caregivers are constantly searching for picky eater solutions because there are kids who are picky eaters. So instead of an ebook, you give them a visual matrix, like a protein plus carb plus flavor add on, so they can mix and match without stress. Who is it for? Parents of toddlers, caregivers, busy spouses, teachers in special ed. Where to sell it: Pinterest mom boards, Etsy printables, and parenting blogs. Bonus strategy: add affiliate links to lunch boxes, portion tools, or kid friendly protein powder. On Amazon, you have things like that on Amazon, and upsell with a video demo on your YouTube channel. Number 4, digital product idea generator with prompts. Why this work: creators struggle with idea, overwhelm, or block, or burnout. This printable or interactive PDF will offer fill in the blank prompts that help people come up with sellable digital product ideas instantly. Who it's for? Side hustlers, coaches, faceless YouTubers, Etsy sellers, online educators. Where to sell it: Gumroad, Creative Fabrica. Yes, you can upload on Creative Fabrica. You didn't know that? Well, you know now. YouTube automation groups, TikTok faceless channels. And Creative Fabrica, when you upload it, you don't have to do anything else. People just come and search and find stuff, and they will buy it and download it. So don't sleep on Creative Fabrica. I have the link in the description, so go sign up. Bonus strategy: use this as a lead magnet, upsell, and bundle it with video walkthrough on how you used it to generate product ideas fast. And the last one, number 5, weekly self-care tracker. This is built for caregivers like myself. I care for my niece. She has a learning disability. She's 45 and she functions as maybe a 4-year-old. Yeah, so her mom passed away in a car accident. So and my mom and my dad passed away, so the baton was passed on to me, and it's okay. She would have done the same. Let's move on. So I can relate to this. I probably will do this one, create this one, because it's dear to my heart. Why it works is that most self-care planners are built for influencers or single 20 somethings, caregivers, nurses, parents, aunties like myself, sandwich generation, or burning out. They want realistic ways to build rest. Sometimes I get away because right now I'm at my son in the United States. My niece is in Jamaica. My brother handles it while I'm gone. And you just have to recoup. You have to just refresh and rejuvenate and get back on track. You build rest. So I have a lot to offer here because I'm an experienced caregiver. All right. Who is this for? Moms, elder caregivers, healthcare workers, overworked professional, where you can sell it: Pinterest, Etsy, Facebook caregiving groups. And you don't have to be a caregiver to use this one, because ChatGPT will help you to research. And if you have compassion, that's enough to get started. All right. So grab this bundle. There are 100 more because I have 2 bonus packs of 10, making it 95. And then I have another one with 5. So 100 altogether. And there's no way you're not going to find something to write about in 100 product ideas. And I already researched it. So I know these people are searching for these. If I had something like this, because sometimes I get frustrated with caring for my niece, and if I had something like this, it will just make the job easier. And I'm going to create it for somebody because being a caregiver can be taxing. Thank you so much. And let's go back to the video. Okay, now that you've seen how I built the actual product from the inside, what do you think? Let me hear it in the comment section. Pretty doable, right? This isn't about being perfect, because you notice that it's not perfect, or having fancy tech skills. This is about solving problems that people have and putting that solution into a simple, useful format. I use Google Docs. If you want to skip all that research I had to do to come up with those 100 ideas that thousands of people are searching for, and have the tools in your hand right now, just go grab the full digital product bundle below. You'll get the 100 product ideas with high search volume and low competition, and the selling guide with 30 places where affiliates are waiting to sell your products for you, and another ebook showing you how to create the product. The bundle is worth more, but it's at a discounted price of less than $20, and it'll save you days, even weeks of trial and error. Whether you're brand new or ready to scale your business, this is how you build real online income. And, oh, by the way, this channel is more than creating and selling digital products. Just so you know, I have other ways you can make money from your YouTube channel. But in this video, I'm just focusing on digital products. So if you want to make more money online, go to the link in the description to check out my ebook titled 40 Plus Epic Ways to Monetize Your Channel Outside of the Google AdSense program. I hope you got some value from this video. Please subscribe if you're serious about monetizing your mind and your channel and your life. You will love the next video coming up as well. And it's more money-making methods. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I release another jam-packed video like this. And go ahead and watch the monetization playlist for videos that will teach you about how to make money on YouTube. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.